Hey guys, welcome back. This is DK and you are watching Learn English with DK. This is my sixth day of English practice. Guys, I have already told you if you have any topic, if you want to discuss about any topic, then you will comment me. I will definitely discuss about that your particular topic. Guys, today my topic is why importance money. Guys, in this modern era, it is most important money for your life in your family. So guys, why importance of money? Let me tell you guys, if you have money, then people, other villagers, your friends are respect you. If you don't have money, then your friend, then your villager, your people are not respect you. So you need to earn money, in my point of view. So guys, if you have money, then you will buy whatever you want. Guys, if you have money, then you will feel full your dream. If you have money, then you will fulfill whatever want our family. If you have money, then you will purchase our dream bike, dream car, dream XYZ. If you have money, then you will buy your very expensive dream phone. If you have money, then you will buy something. And of course, if you have money, then you will traveling other country. And of course, guys, if you have money, then your health is good. If you have money, your health is good. Why? Because if you don't have money, you disturb mentally. Why? Because if you have don't money, every day you distraction. If you have every day you have distraction, your mind is not working. So you need to earn money. If you have money, then you have confidence, and if you have money, then you will open your new business, start your new business. If you have money, then you will recharge your phone. If you have money, then you will buy good girls. And if you have money, then you will buy cab. And if you have money, then you will buy very expensive cloth. And if you have money, then you will definitely buy your dream watch. And if you have money, then you will traveling other state. And if you have money, of course, then you will meet your best friend. And if you have money, so your friend will be respect you, and your friend will be want to meet you. And if you have money, then you will ride every day, traveling other state, other village, definitely. And if you have money, whatever you want, fulfill. Thanks for watching. Today is my topic, why importance money. So if you have money, then you will achieve whatever you want. So guys, this is the 6th day of English practice. If you have any topic, discuss about any topic in English, then you will comment me. I will reply you, and tomorrow will be discussed about that your particular topic. So guys, thanks for watching, and may I hope this video will be very useful for you. And of course guys, maybe you like this, like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.